Hello. Friday was another fine and dry day for the vast majority, with high pressure dominating our weather picture. There was lots of sunshine around and just a little bit of this fair weather cloud popping up for a time, like here in Chorley, Lancashire. It was across the other side of the hills that we had the day's highest temperature. Bainbridge in North Yorkshire popping up to 23 degrees Celsius Friday afternoon. That's 7 degrees above the May average, so pleasant in the sun.
Good morning. If it's fine and dry weather you're looking for this bank holiday weekend, well, I have plenty of that in the forecast. But today there is going to be a bit more cloud and a cooler feel in the north of the UK.
Morning. What's the picture across the country?
Morning, Rachel. Morning, Charlie. Morning to you. I have to say, if it's fine, dry and sunny weather you're looking for this weekend, but it is not looking too bad, and this is how things are starting off in County Down. Beautiful start there, and that's seen replicated in many parts of the country. Dry for most through the weekend, spells of warm sunshine, but that is not quite the whole story. Back home, well, look at the sea view I've found. A completely different story here for this weather watcher in East Yorkshire. A much calmer start to the day, some spells of sunshine overhead, and that really sets us up for the bank holiday weekend, which is going to be dry for most of us with some spells of warm sunshine. Will feel pleasant in the strong sunshine with high UV levels for many. So if you are out for any length of time, do protect yourself. The sun is pretty much approaching its strongest time in the year.
I was just going to say, huge weekend of sport, isn't it? It's going to be a case of keeping you cool, which could be quite difficult. At Wembley or Twickenham?
Yeah, Ben's listening on. And what's the picture looking like, Ben, for all those events?
What a link, Mike. It's as if you've been doing this for years.
It's a bit wild,
very nice. Well, yeah, it's looking warm. I wouldn't say it's looking too hot. In fact, for most people, I would suspect it's going to feel quite pleasant. We're looking at temperatures up into the low 20s Celsius. There will be quite a lot of sunshine around. That really is the story, not only for today, but through this bank holiday weekend.
If you're staying in the UK, we know there's lots of sporting events on over the weekend. It's a bank holiday as well. So lots of people interested, Ben, in what you've got to say this morning. They always are.
Yes, indeed.
But maybe more than normal.
Of course
they
every
are.
day, Charlie,
Always.
obviously. But this weekend, perhaps more than many. And actually, you were saying about the poor weather in southern Europe. Actually, our shores, probably one of the best places to be, with plenty of sunshine overhead. And across many parts of the UK, actually, if you're looking for fine weather and sunshine today, well, that is exactly what you are going to get. And look at how the day is starting for this weather watcher in the southwest of Wales. Blue skies overhead. But for us, things are, well, a lot calmer than that this weekend. In fact, look at this start to the day for a weather watcher in the West Midlands. Blue skies overhead, a lot of sunshine around. But if you do have sunny skies overhead, well, the sun is really strong at this time of year, not far off its peak, actually. So high UV levels. Do protect yourself if you're out for any length of time.
Ben, where is that? That's another beautiful spot.
Yeah, this is Gower in South Wales, Charlie. What a beautiful start to the morning it is here, but that is a scene that has been replicated across so many parts of the UK and through this weekend. Well, I think it's probably too nice to be sitting indoors and watching sport, but that's just my opinion. Spells of warm sunshine, it will be mostly dry.